Hi guys, I've got another Manfrotto compact action tripod today to unpack and to have a first look at it. So let's start. As you can see, it's compact action tripod from Manfrotto, and I've bought it from Apple Store. It says that it is compatible with the compact system cameras, DSLR cameras, and of course iPhones as well. It comes with this screw type of thing which is used to put the cameras and phones on the top of it. Then it has got this Manfrotto carrying traveling bag which you can put this tripod in while you are traveling. And then there is another thing. It's specifically for the cameras to put them on the tripod. And unfortunately, it is compatible with the iPhones, but if you can see that mount on top of it which is holding the iPhone, that's a shame. It doesn't come with this and you have to buy it separately. So let's try to unpack it. The bag it has come in, the traveling bag, it seems to be a really nice quality, to be honest. It's a padded type of thing. It's really nice. This is the bag it has come in. It's really nice bag. I'm impressed. It's just because I had a tripod before that and it came with a carrier bag as well, or the traveling bag, and that was of a very cheap quality. There are some paperwork with it. And there we go. Obviously, it's a common thing for all the tripod. Their legs can be extended and there's a clip which you need to release and pull the leg out. Once it has come to the extent of the length, you can put the clip back on to tight the position. And the maximum height it can be extended to is 45.3 centimeters or 17.8 inches. And if you take this middle thing out as well, then it can be extended to 61 inches. It weighs 1.5 kg, and with the bag and everything, it's its height is 155 centimeters. The full height it can be extended to, and while it's not extended, it is 45.3 centimeter long or 17.8 inches. Its weight, the maximum weight is 1.5 kg, including the bag and everything. And it is pretty nice. And this is a handle to get to the position wherever you want to make the movie at, and this tiny rolling button is I think used to tighten the screws. Like if you have tightened it, then you cannot move it. If you unscrewed, if you lose it, then obviously it's really handy, because I've seen other tripods, they've got a separate screw hanging on the side which you have to operate it with your other hand. So this is nice. Then I've got here, which yeah, that's the locking button. Once you've got your phone or the camera up here, you can just lock it and obviously it won't fall. It seems really nice quality, and let's see how okay, so there is a button. If you want to use the camera, then you can use this setting, and if it's a camcorder or that type of thing, then you can use this setting. Only this tripod I think cost around, I don't exactly remember, it was around 50-60 pounds, but as I have mentioned already, I'm gonna use it with my iPhone, but it doesn't come with the mount which holds the iPhone. If you can see, this one, so I have to buy that mount as well, and that mount was $39.99. This is the mount I was talking about, Manfrotto Twistgrip universal clamp for iPhone and smartphones. So this clip individually costs $39.99. Ideally, I think it should have come with this tripod by default. Well, it doesn't, so let's unpack it. If you are using this Manfrotto tripod with your cameras, DSLR and something, then you don't need this. You only need this if you're going to use that tripod for your smartphones and stuff. So that's it. Oh, that's nice. That's fancy. And I think from this side it can easily be mounted here. Okay, so mount that thing on top of your tripod. Obviously, as I have mentioned already, there is this bit in the middle of it which eventually hold the camera and everything. So what you need to do, you need to take that bit out, and you need to unscrew this tiny bit from it to make the screw visible, and then this mount can be screwed back into it. There we go. That's what it looks like when you have got your iPhone mount on top of it. It is really nice quality, to be honest, and I'm looking forward to make videos and rest of the things using these equipments.